What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So wanted to do a video on a rubber mat that goes in the bed of your truck. So if you have a bed liner, a drop-in plastic, or a spray-in, which I got that was included with the truck, everything slides around. So I have purchased a rubber mat from Chevrolet it was a $200 mat, but what happens is when you buy your truck, you get a Chevrolet points system that they set up, and I had enough points to bring that $200 bed mat down to around $47. So I was looking at buying like a rough country rubber mat, which was around $100, or most of the mats are around $100, but you know, getting that Chevrolet little bow tie makes it double the price, but it ended up being cheaper having the points. So there's really nothing to this install. You pick it up, it is a little heavy, and you just drop it in. So I just finished cleaning this. I've had it about a year or so, and it was definitely time to clean it up a little bit. It was really dirty. So I'm going to show y'all how you would reinstall it back in the truck. So you're going to take it like this, pick it up, toss it in there, definitely a little bit easier if you have a second person. Okay, so what you have to do is the rubber mat right here, you just have to bend it back a little bit where your tie downs are. Same thing right here in the front, right like that. Then the other side, that actually lined up good. So, and then just bend that down. And that is pretty much it. It's very easy. So I take it out every 6 months to a year, give it a nice cleaning, but it's definitely been a great purchase. So as I was showing you earlier, now it won't slide near as bad. So it still slides a tiny bit, but it definitely grips way better. So if this gas can is full, it's definitely not going to slide around near as much. So I still strap it to the side, but yeah, that pretty much does it. Definitely happy with it. So make sure if you bought a new Chevy, check your points. You may have some that you haven't used. All right, so I appreciate y'all watching this video. I actually do need to go get gas in this tank, so I'm going to head out. But I appreciate y'all watching. Like I said, make sure you hit the thumbs up if you like the video, and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. So until next time, see y'all.